So we're a 36-hole facility located in the metropolitan of Overland Park. We have 27 regulation holes, along with a 9-hole first tee program, par 3 golf course. We are located on hole number 5 on the black tee over at West Links Golf Course. This is our golf course that is surrounded by houses, and I think it's the best 9 to play here at Overland Park. Since COVID started, we do approximately 115,000 rounds a year. Before COVID, we were right at about 75,000. I've heard that the 2 golf courses the city of Overland Park maintains is comparable to all of the city golf courses in Denver and in Dallas. Our maintenance practices for mowing: we mow greens 3 to 4 times a week. We roll the opposite days that we do not mow. Tees we mow approximately 1 to 2 times per week. Fairways we try to get out and mow 1 to 2 times per week. And rough is continuous non-stop mowing, going from one 9 to the next. The West Links Golf Course was built in 1992. They overseeded all of the rough to tall fescue with zoysia fairways, bent grass tees and greens. There's considerably more fescue over here at West Links than on the other 18 holes. I believe they chose tall fescue because of its durability. We have a lot of cart traffic, a lot of play in this area. 60% of our golfing rounds are used by carts, and we don't have any issues with the rough throughout the golfing season. It provides the green look all year round, and to give this 9 a different look than the rest of the golf course. We really only fertilize it when we do pre-emergent, so it gets maybe 1 to 1.5 pounds of nitrogen per year, and it holds up really well. As far as water, we do not really water the rough out here. It's pretty much just overspray from our fairway heads that may get the rough. It's usually about the first 30 or 40 feet outside the fairways that get water. In the summer, when we do have drought and we do have dry times, the fescue holds up really well. Once we get a rain, it rebounds so fast, you can't even tell. Within a couple of days, it's right back to green and looking good.